Wednesday, April 17th, 2:34 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money, my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. My Patreon page, links below. Please subscribe. I'm going to discuss fractional shares. If you're new to trading, novice trading, but want to have skin in the game, participating in trading, one methodology I recommend is fractional shares. Not all brokers offer fractional shares. This broker here, it's called Tastytrade.com. It's in the United States. Their headquarters out of Chicago. They offer access to many financial instruments, outstanding broker, customer service, trading platform, desktop, app. It's all good. If you have a problem with it, it may be because you're not asking the right question. Questions, plural. Yeah. Again, here's the website, tastytrade.com. Well, one of the products they offer, on top of very wide range of financial instruments, stocks, futures, crypto, options, they also offer access to fractional shares. Not all brokers offer fractional shares. This part of the website explains what it is. So this company, fractional shares, you cannot short, you cannot trade bearish them, you can only trade bullish to buy them. Minimum $5 for each one. There are other brokers that offer as low as $1. But again, this one broker is in the United States, outstanding trading platform. So fractional shares. Not all stocks you could fractional shares with. Not all stocks have good liquidity. So this broker, like I already mentioned, minimum you need to spend is $5. Their commission to open the trade is 10 cents, to close the trade is 10 cents. Different brokers have different fees. I'm showing you again what's here. And clearing fee. That's from the regulatory body, the exchanges, 10 cents. Yep. So if you buy the stock fractional share, just $5, well, then it's going to cost, again, $5.10. And if you're closing it at $10 the trade, after you bought it at $5, well, when you close out at $10, they're going to take the 10 cents away. So you'd be closing it at $10, but they're going to take 10 cents. And then there's the transaction fee, 10 cents. Let me show you the platform on a desktop trading platform. This horizontal area is referred to level 1. There's different levels for stocks. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Not all brokers give you access to level 2. Not all brokers give you access to level 3. I'm just going to show you level 1. Shows you the last price right here. It says last. Shows you the change, bid, and the ask. So for this methodology for trading fractional shares, you're only going to be using the ask. That's what you're going to buy it at. Again, the last trade could have occurred 2 seconds ago, 2 hours ago, 2 minutes ago. Who knows? You're focusing again on the ask when you're buying. Liquidity, yep. Volume, spreads. So bid and ask. When you're buying a stock, buying a Forex, futures, an option, you're always buying at the ask. When you're closing the position, you're closing it at the bid. If you're bullish, you're buying at the ask. If you're bearish, you're shorting it at the bid. That's a lot of information. But again, fractional shares, you only need to be concerned this. Buying at the ask. When you close it, that's a different thing. When you close it, you're just going to either do a limit order or market order. Get to that later. But the point here is the bid and ask. This underlining stock, that's the stock symbol, underlining stock. Not all companies are on the stock market. Look at the price of the bid. Look at the price of the ask. 10 cents different. $39.95. The bid. The ask, $40.05. 10 cents. That's wide. So if you buy it at $40.50, sorry, $40.05, just one share, you're already negative 10 cents. Imagine do that 10,000 shares. Yeah. So it behooves you to look for tight spreads. Okay, not all stocks offer that. Well, I'm going to show you a stock index called the S&P 500. Stock symbol is Sierra Papa Yankee for you civilians, SPY. Look at the bid and ask. It's 1 penny wide. Outstanding, outstanding. That's the best. Let's get the 1 penny wide. Let's cue in something else. You ever hear of a broker called Robinhood? It's a piece of garbage broker. There it is. HOD. You ever Tesla? So look at that. They're both 157, but the spread, it's about 2 cents wider. Yep. So SPY was tighter, but this is certainly better than the Reddick. Let's look at the Facebook. So again, popular companies typically have tight spreads. Ooh, look at this. Facebook, parent company, Meta. That's a wide spread. 65, it's moving fast. 88, yep, it's wide. So again, focus on and have a watch list, the good things here. So let me show you again. Here's the watch list I created on the left. Click it on. The stock symbol gets queued up in here. Bid and ask. So if you're bullish, the S&P 500, you click on the ask. It queues it up down here. Buy, well, you're doing fractional shares, so you don't want to buy one share. Because if you buy one share of this, currently costing, well, again, the price moving $502.83. Yep. Fractional shares. It's 0.01. That's one fractional share. One fractional share costs you $5.03 at this particular moment. So you trade, want to get experience using the platform, as well as trading, investing, trading. That's what I'm focusing on to show you here, fractional shares. Well, I want to show you something else now, because again, that price, 502.91. Let's go something might be that more expensive. You might have heard of that company, November Victor Delta Alpha, NVIDIA. Look at the bid and ask. Again, it's moving fast because these are popular stocks. 853.87, 854.24. Yep, that's pretty wide. Again, if you still like the company, don't be concerned about the bid and ask then, the spread. Click on the ask, queued in down here. Again, one share, $854.60. One fractional share, $8.55. Again, I mentioned you don't have to do a minimum of $5. So what can you do here? From 0.01, try 0.005. 4.28 right here on the max loss. So again, need to do a minimum of $5. 0.007. There we go. 0.007 has it $5.99. Let's take it down one more. 0.006. Yep. $5.13. So, and one more. Let's take 0.5. See if it still makes a difference. Oh. 0.005547. 0.0057. 0.0058. And one more, 0.0059. Okay, so 0.0059 fractional share, less than one fractional share, still falls at that price, $5.04. So you can do that. And try to keep it close as possible, $5 for each position, each trade. So you have a pretty good money management because, each one is close as possible, $5. Yep, let's go. And if you want to do that order, well, for fractional shares here, I'm going to show you on the website again. Should say somewhere, but I know it is the policy. You have to be on market orders. So you have to change the order type to market order. Yep. And then you hit review and send, and your order goes through. And then you get confirmation in your positions. And then once you're in that trade, I highly recommend you write down, keep a ledger digitally or paper of what position you bought, what day, what the price was for the underlining, and what your fractional share was you bought. And then you have a ledger, like I said, paper or digital to look at. And from there, consider adding on to the positions if you want to go more of that same underlining or other ones, and practice closing the positions for profits too. Maybe if you double your amount on the position or make 10% closing, so you get experience closing the position. Thank you as always for spending a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.